Welcome to online class, my dear student. How are you? I hope all are very fine. I am Sujan Saha, assistant teacher, Angaria High School, Angaria, Suratpur. Class 7, subject English, second paper. Now I discuss tense. Do you know tense? Tense is call of time. Anytime you follow the tense. A tense three item: present tense, past tense, future tense. Present tense is the signal বর্তমান কাল, past tense signal অতীত কাল, future signal ভবিষ্যৎ কাল. You know that the symbol present tense symbol am is are, past tense symbol was are, future symbol shall or will. I some slide presentation for you. You follow and practice. Sujan Saha, Angaria High School, Angaria, Suratpur. Follow. Welcome back, my dear students. You know the tense. I hope you must be know tense. Tense, three item: present tense, past tense, future tense. You follow a example. You must understand this tense sites. I eat rice. Follow the tables, structure and the word. I ate rice. It's the present tense. I ate rice, the past tense. I shall eat rice, the future tense. Every kinds of tense, the four items, such as example, present indefinite, present continuous, present perfect, and present perfect continuous. You follow the structure, and the reading sides is this side follow the distributing, and the must be solving the any tense side. You follow the example, present indefinite, I am eating rice. Follow the structure rules. I am eating rice. I have eaten rice. I have been eating rice is the three item past tense. For items such as example is the structure. I ate rice. I was eating rice. I had eaten rice. I had been eating rice. Future tense the items. I shall eat rice. I shall eating rice. I shall have eaten rice. I shall be have been eating rice. As the three items, the four items, the structure must be followed, and the solving any tense. The simple tense, the site follow. As the simple present tense symbol, the am is are, past tense symbol, the was are, future symbol, the shall will. Every kinds of the continuous tense, you must be know the meanings, verbs, and the closing ing. And the follow sides, you must be solving the any continuous tense. You will follow the structured rule. You must be solving any tense. Tense is easy subject and is of it literally is the side spots. You the structure follow. You must be solving. As the you more know that the syntax is the symboling of the any side grammar. You must know that is the solved. So you should be know that's the signals of the any items. You the verb selected at first. You know that's the signals. I ate rice is the signals of the each verb. As the present tense, so you know that you saving the word start is saving is the structure of the sides. You follow the am is are, and you know that simply the word does is the signals of the any structure follow. I hope you must be know the understand sides is the tense, so you must practice and follow the structure table in the sides. I solving the any side and solving you is the several for your case and successfully in this program. Okay, my dear all students, you know that the signals of tense and solving practice you must be solving. Do you know structure? You will well. Thank you very much.